What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2025 Toyota Camry started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key not detected, check key location. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob and I'm going to touch the back of it to the power button. You'll hear a beep and then you'll see the ignition illuminate. Now the ignition's in the on position and now we can start the vehicle as normal. Brake, power button, and now we're ready to drive. You didn't hear this vehicle start because this is the EV version or the hybrid version. But in this case, now you can drive as normal. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.